Okay, just back on the boat, and the big question is, after 3 weeks on the mooring ball and only a 50-watt solar panel to keep the batteries charged, will she turn over the engine?
Let's see. Oh, turn it on first. That's it. Beautiful sound.
Good morning. So we're here in Fort Myers in the Matanzas Pass mooring field. This is SV SeaSprite, and we're going to depart this morning to move the boat from Fort Myers, which is on the west coast of Florida, to Stuart, which is on the east coast of Florida, basically to stage for a crossing to the Bahamas. This is about a 104-mile trip. We're going to do it in 3 days. There are 25 bridges and 5 locks to be negotiated, and we'll try to, incorporate some of that information into the video. So come aboard with SV SeaSprite as we head east.
Cape Coral fixed bridge, vertical height. This is the Midpoint Memorial fixed bridge. This is the Caloosahatchee fixed bridge, vertical clearance 55 feet. Just beyond this bridge is the Fort Myers City Yacht Basin. Fuel, pump out, provisions, restaurant, and just beyond that is the Edison fixed bridge, vertical clearance 56 feet. Looks like this little island with marina is for sale. Franklin Lockmaster, this is the sailing vessel SeaSprite, 30-foot sailboat, transiting west to east, approaching the Franklin Lock.
This is Franklin Lock. Captain, we're currently locking westbound traffic. As soon as westbounds are clear, we'll give you a green light. Come in and grab a line on either side.
Roger, we'll stand by for the green light. Approaching the Franklin Lock. This is the first of the 5 locks that we will transit on our passage from the west coast to the east coast of Florida.
Thank you again, Captain, for your patience. Enjoy your safe travels.
It's a little bit sad. It's like the waterway is like the river of lost dreams or forgotten sailboats. There's some amazing boats that are just tied up along the waterway, and obviously neglected. We're approaching the Fort Denard swing bridge again.
These are the LaBelle Town docks. I think there's 8 slips here. Free power, free water, free dockage. 3 days maximum stay. It's a great little place. We're here at LaBelle Town docks, getting ready to depart. We need to depart early because this bridge that you can see or hear behind us opens on demand, but it's closed from 7 a.m. to 9 for morning rush hour traffic. So we need to get out of here between 6 and 7. Continue heading east. Up she comes. Looks like we may have some fog to deal with. Motoring into the fog bank. Where's Vince Gallagher when I need him? This is the Ortona lock. It's a 8.5 foot lift, and you hail them on 1-3. This is Glade's Boat Storage. $3.60 a foot per month and $2 a foot for haul out. Thus explaining the mini masts you see in this video. This is the Moorhaven Highway fixed bridge, vertical clearance 55 feet. Just beyond the Moorhaven fixed bridge is the Moorhaven Railroad Bridge, which is currently closed because there's a train crossing. Let's hope it's not a 500 car train. The train has crossed the bridge but come to a stop. The bridge is still closed, and the bridge tender has not yet responded to our calls on 09. Now appears that the railroad swing bridge is opening. Very slowly, but it is opening. Reaching the Moorhaven lock. Hail the lock on 1-3. He says it's about 1.5 foot lift here at Moorhaven. Today to Clewiston, eventually to the other side, Stuart. All right, we'll see you there. See you at the Tiki Bar. Okay, so we're at the Roland Martin Marina in Clewiston, Florida. It's about halfway from the west coast to the east coast. It's an interesting marina, just off the Rim Canal. Some big boats just came in here. I'll give you a quick tour. Store, but it's more sort of like clothes. Roland Martin is a famous bass fisherman, professional fisherman, and so just about everything in the marina store is related to bass fishing. I'll show you. In addition to the Tiki Bar, there's a restaurant. It opens at 5:30 in the morning, so the fishermen get something to eat. They make some serious nachos. Gators out there.
Can somebody sign something for me?
There you go. lockmaster, and the lock is open all the way through. No requirement for a lift today. We'll just cruise on through, and the only requirement is minimal wake. This is our welcoming committee. The Port Mayaka Welcoming Committee. They approve. And immediately beyond the Port Mayaka lock is the Port Mayaka fixed bridge, vertical clearance 55 feet. Now we understand if you needed to anchor just past the lock here, or just before it, if you're heading the opposite direction, you could anchor in this area directly in front of me. This is the spillway area, and apparently there's plenty of depth and good holding in there. So we're now approaching the Port Mayaka Railroad Lift Bridge. This is the one big obstacle if you're transiting the Okeechobee Waterway. Its max height is allegedly 49 feet 7 inches. So if your mast is higher than that by a couple of feet, the crew from Indiantown Marina will come out with some 55-gallon drums and heel your boat over and get you underneath. Otherwise, you just can't do the canal. All the other bridges are 55 feet, but this one 49.7. Let's see if SeaSprite makes it through. Oh, we made it! Yes, we made it. I wonder if this guy's gonna make it. Okay, we're at Indiantown Marina. We're here because the Indiantown Railroad swing bridge is out of commission in the closed position. We hear they're looking for a technician, but we don't know when it's going to open up again, so we took a slip here at Indiantown. And docking at Indiantown was a challenging exercise. Pretty proud of the fact that I managed to squeeze this boat in reverse in this tiny slip. This is the Indiantown Railroad swing bridge. This bridge was malfunctioning. It was in the closed position, and all the traffic yesterday was held up. But they've got it open now. They got it open for an hour, so we jumped on the opportunity and we're going through. Immediately behind the railroad swing bridge is the Indiantown fixed bridge. Vertical clearance is 55 feet. This bridge was built in 1924. No wonder it has a hard time opening and closing. The Southwest 96th Street Bridge, vertical clearance 55 feet. Approaching the St. Lucie lock. This is going to be a 14.5 foot drop, and you hail them on channel 13. You can see the water receding now. This is the Thomas V manual fixed bridge, vertical clearance 56 feet. The I-95 fixed bridges, north and south, vertical clearance is 55 feet. This is the Veterans Memorial fixed bridge. Again, the effective clearance is 55 feet. And this is the Palm City Bridge. It's only 54 feet high. Here on a mooring ball.
Good morning. So we ended up on a mooring ball at Sunset Bay Marina and mooring field in Stuart, and this is where the boat will stay for a little while we prep for our trip to the Bahamas.
smile so bright. Oh, you know you're good as a candle. I'm holding you so tight. Oh, you know you're good as a handle.
Nice and heavy duty too.
They are.
Yeah. They're not.
Oh, say